Hello students, welcome back to the practical sessions of the concept annuity. Hope you are ready for the practical session. So let us start the practical session based on case 1. As I told you, calculation of an amount of an annuity immediate. Okay, I am taking one example, a sum here. So find the amount of an annuity if payment of rupees 300 is made at the end of every half year for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum compounded half yearly. So here they are asking you to calculate the amount of an annuity. So amount of an annuity means, first we'll make a note of the given things in the question. See, they are asking us to calculate the amount that we don't know. We have to calculate it. See, payment of rupees 300 is made at the end of every half year. See, they are making a payment of rupees 300 every half year, so that A will be rupees 300. Okay, then make a note of this one. End of every half year. End of every half year means, as I told you, annuity immediate is payment will be made at the end of the year or at the end of the time period. So that means it is a sum based on annuity immediate. With this only we can able to know whether the sum is belong to annuity immediate or not. So as they are clearly mentioning here, at the end of every half year. Okay, for 2 years they are making a payment. See, they have mentioned every half year. So I just wanted to clarify you people the thing here. See, n we can't take 2 years directly. Why? Because they have given payment will be done half yearly. So half yearly means 1 year we have 2 half years, right? Okay, so that's why 2 years they are making payment. So 2 years we are getting 4 half years, right? So in the sum n is 4. Okay. Similarly, if we are taking any other questions, if instead of half yearly, if they have given quarterly, okay, quarterly or monthly wise. Okay, quarterly means 1 year we have 4 quarters, right? So if you are making a payment up to 2 years, means for 2 years you are getting 8 quarters. So that means 8 installments you are paying. Okay, and monthly, if we are considering monthly, means 1 year, how many months we have? 12 months, right? So 12 months means 12 payments you are making in a year. Okay, so n is number of years, right? You can also take it as number of installment for better understanding. Okay, so how many installments you are making payment, that will be your n. Okay, if it is half yearly, 2 half years you will get in a year. If it is quarterly, 4 quarters in a year. So if it is monthly, 12 months in a year. So based on that you have to take the n. So n is 4 as per the sum. Half year payment they are making up to 2 years. So 4 half years we will get. So that's why I'm taking n. So when it comes to I, as I told you, I is r by 100, right? So here in this question they have given 10%. So 10 by 100. See, 10 by 100 means we will get 0.01, right? But this is not the way to take I, the rate of interest. If they have given the payments in half yearly, monthly or quarterly. So if they are mentioning like this, then we have to take I as, first we have to take the rate of interest divided by, if it is quarter, we are dividing it by 2. Okay. If it is monthly, we are dividing r by 12 for month. If it is half yearly, sorry, if it is quarter, we are dividing it by 4. Okay, if it is half yearly, how many years we will get? R by 2. Okay, that means for 1 year 10% is the rate of interest. In 1 year we are making 2 payments, right? So that's why it is I is equal to, first R by 2, number of payments we are making, we'll get 10 by 2 is 5%. So 5 by 100 we have to take, that is 0.05. So here I is 0.05. Okay, hope you can able to understand how to take high as well as n. Okay, don't confuse with this. We are discussing few more sum in this video so that you can able to understand this too in a better way. Okay, we'll move on to the sum now. So the formula for calculating amount of an annuity immediate is A is equal to A by I 1 plus I to the power n minus 1, right? So they have given the information, we have listed out all the given information here. We'll start with the sum. So A is 300 divided by 0.05. So 1 plus 0.05 into n is 4 minus 1. Okay. So here you will get 300 by 0.06 is 6000 you will get. Okay. This is 1.05 to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, 6000. Now you have to multiply this 1.05 4 times, right? So 1.05 into 1.05. So 4 like this you have to multiply 4 times. Okay, if you are doing like this, it will take some time, right? I'll show you the smart way to calculate this part. Okay, why? Because say for example, if they have given the sum based on monthly payment, that means you have to multiply 12 times. If you are making a payment monthly wise for 2 years, so 2 years means you will get 24 months, right? That means 24 times you have to calculate. So that is impossible. That means it will take time, and meanwhile you may get confused, right? So to avoid a confusion in the calculation, I am showing you some smart way to calculate it. So that is 0.05 into 0.05. Okay, after this you have to press equals. Okay, and in this corner the number is showing, okay, how many times you are multiplying. So just keep on pressing the equals. Okay, so say for example you have to multiply it 4 times. You have to stop when the number is 5, not 4. Okay, so like this you will get. So in our calculations there we have to multiply 1.0405 into 4 times. Okay, 1.05 into 1.05 is equal to, we will get 1.2155. okay, minus 1. So we will get 6000 0.2155. Multiply this, so you will get 1293 as amount. So 1293 is a amount you are getting. Okay, this is how we have to calculate annuity immediate. Okay, hope you can able to solve the sum based on this example. Okay, what I'll do is all your assignment questions will be covered in this video only. I'm going to discuss each question in each question. Okay, so how exactly you have to calculate, what is the given information in that particular question, all these things we're going to discuss in the same video. Okay, we will move on to the assignment questions. Okay, the first assignment question is find the sum of an immediate annuity consisting of 6 annual payments of rupees 200 if the rate of interest is 5% per annum. Okay, so look at the question. In the sum they have given, find the sum. Okay, find the sum in the sense amount, sum, everything is stands for A only. Okay, immediate annuity, make a note of this word. In the sum they have directly said that you ask you to calculate immediate annuity. In the previous sum they have told end of every month, they are making a payment at the end of every month. So you have to make a note of these things. Okay, this is very important for you to decide whether it is a problems on annuity immediate or not. Okay, and 6 annual payments, 6 annual payments they are making. See, annual payments, that means every year they are making a payment up to 6 years, so that n will be 6. Directly they have given, no need of calculating all things what I have shown you there in the last sum. And here A, how much monthly how much yearly payment they are making? 200 every year. So A is 200 and the rate of interest is 5%. So no adjustment with respect to n. Because of that we are taking I directly, that is I 5 by 100, you will get 0.05. Okay, substitute these values in the formula, you will get the answer 1360 is the answer for this sum. Hope you can able to solve this. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? Okay, look at the question. Find the amount of an annuity of rupees 800 payable at the end of each year. At the end of each year they have mentioned here for 5 years if the rate of interest is 6% effectively. Okay, so they are asking us to calculate amount, right? So amount we have to calculate. A is how much? A is 800 and n is yearly, they are making payment each year. So in the sum also they have given n directly, so we are taking n as 5 only. And when it comes to rate of interest, as there is no adjustment in n, we are taking rate of interest also directly, that is 6 by 100, you will get 0.06, right? So for this sum the answer is 4509. This much you have to get for this question. Okay, shall we take up the next question? Okay, Mr. Ram deposited rupees 5000 at the end of every year for 6 years at 6% interest. Determines Ram's money value at the end of 6 years. This is also the similar sum, no any additional adjustments. Every information they have given directly, right? You can able to solve it. So here he is depositing 5000 every year. So given information A, they have given 5000 rupees. Okay, at the end of every year for 6 years. That means every year he is making payment. So n is 6. Up to 6 years he is doing, right? So rate of interest is 6 by 100. So you have to calculate money value. Money value, amount, sum, everything will stand for A only. So you have to calculate A. Okay, for this question you will get the answer 34,876.67. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Find the amount of an annuity if the payment of rupees 300 is made at the end of every quarter. Every quarter they have given in this question for 2 years at the rate of 8% per annum compounded quarterly, right? So they have given information of quarterly. We have to calculate amount. We have to calculate how much payment they are making each quarter. 3000 rupees they are making. So A will be 3000. When it comes to n, see every quarterly for 2 years. So 1 year, how many quarters we have? 4 quarters, right? So for 2 years, how many quarters it will come? 8 quarters. Okay, so n will be 8. Then rate of interest, as I told you, if there is any calculation in with respect to number of years, the rate of interest will also change, right? 8% per annum. 8% per annum. We are making payment quarterly basis. 1 year it is 8%. For 4 quarters, it is how much we have to calculate. So it will become 8 by 4. So 8 I is 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. You will get 2 by 100. So I is 0.02. Okay, I think you can able to understand this adjustments. Okay, so if it is quarterly, we are dividing it by 4. Okay, if it is half yearly, we are dividing the rate of interest by 2. If this is for half yearly. Okay, if it is monthly, we are dividing it by 12. Okay, hope you can able to follow this. Yeah, don't confuse with it. Yeah, okay, for this you will get the answer 31,909. Sorry, not this one. For this you will going to get 25,740 is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer, 25,740 you will get. So the last question. A company has to repay debenture stock of rupees 2 lakh after 10 years. If it creates a fund for which it sets aside a sum of 18,000 annually to accumulate at 5% per annum compound interest, find the amount in the fund after redeeming the debenture stock. So here they are asking us to find what is a fund after redeeming the debenture of stock. Okay, so first we have to find amount. We have to find, at the same time we have to find the remaining amount after redeeming. Okay, remaining amount after redemption. Okay, so there is no much calculation in it. Okay, don't worry, only simple thing they have mentioned about redemption of debenture here. Don't confuse with it. I'll tell you what you have to do. So debenture stock is worth rupees 2 lakh. Okay, so after 10 years, how much the value of it we have to calculate. So every month every year we are paying 18,000 rupees. Okay, so every year we are making a payment of 18,000 rupees up to 10 years. So that A will be 18,000. N is 10. 10 years they have given here. So after 10 years, that means they are making payment yearly wise. If they are not mentioning yearly, half yearly or quarterly, it will be treated at yearly wise. Okay, so 10 years they have given, and we are taking 10 years at the rate of 5% per annum. So 5 by 100, you will get 0.05. Okay, so in this sum we are using the same formula. First we are calculating amount. Okay, amount you will get 2,26,402. so this much amount you are getting. But what they are asking us to calculate, what is the fund you are getting after redemption of debenture. So for that we are doing one more additional calculation. So that is amount remaining in the fund after amount remaining in the fund after redeeming debenture. Okay, how much amount you got in the sum, that will be subtracted from the debenture stock. Okay, so amount is 2,26,402 minus debenture stock is how much, 2 lakh. So you are getting a remaining amount of 26,402. So this is your answer should be. Amount you are getting this much and the remaining amount you are getting this much. Okay, hope you can able to understand the concept what I have explained in this video, and you can easily solve the sums what we have discussed in this video. So total 5 questions will be given for your assignments. You have to submit your assignments on a prescribed time period what we're going to mention. Okay, And for submitting your assignments, in your assignment sheet, you don't forget to write your names on the top of the assignments. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.